Today, we are going to talk about sound and resonance therapy, which is used to address the physical, emotional, cognitive, and social requirements of a group or an individual. It employs a variety of activities such as listening to melodies, playing an instrument, drumming, and even guided imagery. It helps to promote stress reduction, self esteem and confidence building, fine motor skills through playing an instrument, communication through sound, mood management, coping with lack of sleep, which is insomnia, coping skills and social behavior, reducing depression, motivation enhancement. Thank you.